How to use apple cider vinegar to whiten yellow teeth at home. If you are suffering from yellow teeth and desire white and healthy teeth, then let me assure you that apple cider vinegar is going to prove very beneficial to you. Apple cider vinegar and water. Instructions. 1. Take 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and add it to a cup of water. 2. Mix both of them properly. 3. Gargle with this solution half an hour before and 15 minutes after brushing your teeth with normal toothpaste. 4. Do it daily and see the difference to believe. How it works. Apple cider vinegar is an antibiotic that acts as a scrubber and removes bacteria and yellow stains. How to use apple cider vinegar to whiten yellow teeth at home. Raw apple cider vinegar. Instructions. Take some raw apple cider vinegar in a bowl. Apply it on your teeth with the help of your fingers and massage for a few minutes. You can also dip your toothbrush in it and brush your teeth as you would normally do. Leave it for few minutes. Rinse with normal water. How it works. Raw apple cider vinegar is potent and has healing properties that deal directly with teeth and removes discoloration. It is enriched with enzymes, probiotics, magnesium, and potassium that removes harmful bacteria and encourages the growth of good bacteria, thus removing yellow stains. Apple cider vinegar and baking soda. 1. Take 1 tablespoon of baking soda in a glass bowl and add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to it. 2. Mix both the ingredients with the help of a spoon. 3. Brush your teeth with the help of this paste as you would normally do with your regular toothpaste. 4. Rinse your mouth with normal tap water. 5. You can use this paste twice a week in the initial stages and later once a week when you start seeing a remarkable difference.